away from my soul. He thinks he sees me, thinks he knows. Look away from my soul. He thinks he sees me, thinks he knows. Look away from my soul. He thinks he sees me, thinks he knows.
Good morning. My name is Casey Bryant, and I'm represented by Model and Talent Management. Today we're going to go over some breakfast. I got a very heavy day landscaping, so I'm going to keep it light, but I need a calorie-packed punch with some carbohydrates. So what I'm going to do today is bring out some Kodiak chocolate chip pancakes, keep it simple, and move straight forward with it. What I'm going to try to do is just keep a conversation going, so it might look like I'm talking to myself, but just trying to get some feedback, get some subscribers, and you might notice that I'm missing some of my products, but it's because I only have no subscribers. So maybe you guys can help me get more pancake mix along the way and make some more episodes. What do you think? So what I'm gonna need, I got my handy dandy fork just in case. I'm gonna need your wire whisk. The wire whisk is my go-to move. Over here in the fridge, I like to keep it simple. Keep your eyes up. The Land O'Lakes butter. I like 2% milk from the cow, straight from the udders. It's the way I roll. And this is coming directly from the source. I got a batch of very colorful eggs. I'm just gonna leave it at that. So, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the oven on. I got it on 8 for now, just to warm it up. Drop my egg in the pan. Very good. Now I take my Kobe Bryant shot in the sink, hit the middle. That was a brick fair monopoly. Better clean it up, but just goes to show the camera does put a little extra intensity on. I hit that shot every morning my whole life. I've never missed it. Just went in the drain. What's up? And if you think I'm kidding, boom, I mean, it's money making. It was right. And see right here, I got it looking good. Something happened, it cut it off. But we got a little bubble. So we're gonna go flip a rooski and then clean it up. Clean it up. Clean it up. Hold for 5. You're gonna wanna hold that. Do a little tap, tap a tap, Baruski. Nope, not yet. How do you know? You see it wiggling? It'll stop wiggling. Let me hit that. Oh, that's a strong cake. Now just so it's a little bit crispy on the inside. It's a good looking cake. Wow. Yeah. We come here, flip it again. That looks good. And voila. Just like that. We come here. We take a spoon. We take a scoop. Give me that. We go right there. Oh, set your spoon. Then we come over here and here, and we find the syrup. Uh-oh. I need more subscribers. I need subscribers. Where are my subscribers? Do I get to eat today? Yay. All right, now this is how you conserve, buddy. Yep. I'm sorry, I need more subscribers. I can still make it poppin'. You know what I mean? I need more subscribers. I need subscribers. Whoa, before we burn the house down, cut off your stuff, put it in here, wipe it down. And there you have it, folks. We clean up our mess. We grab our stuff, get a napkin, a plate, and I'll have my first bite with you. I tell you what. Dip it right in the butter. That tastes like candy. Yo. And that's how you get it done. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for woo. Yeah, for watching. If you need anything from me, you can check me out, comment below, like it. If you're all about your Kodiak chocolate chip pancakes. And remember, muscle up. I had coffee sitting on one side. Thank you for watching my show. I hope y'all have a great afternoon. It's time to go mow some lawns. Check out my next videos. You will see how much that Kodiak pancake is gonna influence a perfect cut. I'm telling you, I got this down to a science. I love you all. See you next time.
You know, running, boy, you on a team. Understand, I done earned everything you see. Once you're in, ain't no